Hi, this is Richard from SQream, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect SQreamDB with a machine learning model using a Jupyter notebook. As you can see, we are going to use standard libraries and connectors to connect to SQream, like SQL Alchemy to manage the connection to SQream, and Pandas to manage the data frames that we are reading from SQream. So I'm going to start importing that, and we connect to SQream. I'm also going to import Seaborn because I'm going to visualize how this data is distributed. The dataset itself is from a European credit card provider. And the idea here is that we are going to identify credit card fraud. I'm going to train this model on the 2018 dataset, and then I'm going to verify this model on the 2019 dataset. So I'm going to load the 2018 dataset here. And the output you see here is basically a Pandas description of this result set. And then we can query the 2019 dataset as well. And at this point, we now have two data frames stored, one for 2018 and one for 2019. And I can now visualize this data using Seaborn. And what you're going to see here now is that the blue line is OK transactions, and the orange line shows how the data is distributed when there is a fraudulent transaction. Give you an idea of how the model is going to work. And we need to define what is an OK transaction and what is fraudulent credit card transaction. And at this point, I can then start to build the model. I'm going to use TensorFlow here. And at the heart of this model is an S-curve or sigmoid function. And now we are ready to actually train this model. So I'm going to train this now on the 2018 dataset. And we can now verify this model on the 2019 dataset. You can see that this model is fairly okay. And if we look at the accuracy, then we can see that we have a 97% accuracy in predicting fraudulent transactions in the 2019 dataset by training the model on the 2018 dataset. The point here, though, is that because SQream will run your queries faster on more data and on more dimensions, it's very well tailored for use cases where you need to run heavy, complex joins. For an example, where you want to also increase the window of analytics. From, let's say, today, you might be able to run your models on 6 months worth of data. With SQream, you can now run your models on 6 years or even 10 years worth of data. Thank you for watching.